those attorneys are not as on top of the law. They're not as on top of the changes in the cases, and they're not as familiar with what our judges are doing down here. Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa Vasquez from the Vasquez Lara Law Group, and I want to talk to you about how you should be choosing your divorce attorney. Now you would think that I would say, just choose me, but that's not what I'm going to tell you. Some of the things that you want to make sure that you are considering when you're going to hire a divorce attorney is, what is the experience of the attorney that you're seeking? Is there experience in family law? Are they, have they been practicing a long time? Do they know what they're doing? We unfortunately in South Florida have a lot of attorneys that do a lot of things, including family law. This is not always a good choice just because those attorneys are not as on top of the law. They're not as on top of the changes in the cases, and they're not as familiar with what our judges are doing down here. So my first requirement would be to tell you that it should be somebody who specializes or handles primarily or only family law. From there, you should make sure that you're talking to somebody who is experienced in family law. That means that they've been practicing for a while and that they've been doing a lot of family law cases. What does that mean? If you've only been doing family law, but you only handle 2 cases a year, that's not somebody who's very experienced, no matter how long they've been practicing. But at our firm, I can tell you that our attorneys generally are handling 30 to 40 cases a year of only family law. That means that they are really deep in making sure that they are only handling these types of cases and that they're getting the experience and being able to give that experience and that value to our clients. Lastly, what I find to be really important, which is how I have built my firm, is on the team approach. We are not just one attorney and one paralegal where if the attorney's sick or on vacation or traveling, then your case really isn't moving forward. We work at our firm as a team. You have 2 attorneys, a paralegal, and an assistant that is handling every file. That ensures that no matter what is going on with one person's life, the team is carrying that case and making sure that everything is happening the way that it should be. So those are the things that I think are important, and that's why I've built my firm in order to be able to provide those things. If you have any questions about what requirements you think are important or how we can meet those requirements for you, give us a call.